Okay, hi. We are here at Tech Boy.
Hold up.
Okay, hi. We are here at Tech Boy. Our topic for today are your Cisco and your possible job if you are hired in Cisco related jobs. At first, we are going to determine what Cisco is. Cisco, a leading manufacturer of a networking equipment including routers, bridges, frame switches, and ATM switches, dial-up and success service, and network management of software. Cisco was founded in 1984 by Leonard Bosak and Sandra Lerner, a married couple both employed by Stanford University. Initially targeting universities, Cisco sold its first router in 1986. Cisco is the leading router vendor, and its operating system and routing protocols have become de facto standards. In the 1990s, Cisco growth was due to the acquisition of more than 70 companies. In early 2000, it briefly surpassed Microsoft market cap as the most valued corporation in the world. Then, you're going to determine what is your possible profession if you are be entered at the Cisco. So I have here a video for you to watch and to come up with more information. Watch.
Understanding Cisco certification. I am so excited for you. I know that's a very unusual way to start the nugget, but I am. I've been pacing this room for the last 10 minutes trying to set my mind back into what it was like when I didn't know about certification, and I literally fell into a certification program, and it was like, wow, a whole new magical world was open to me. And now I have that opportunity to do that for you. So what my goal is to show you the Cisco certification program in all its glory, give you my best recommendations I can on what path you should go, and then answer as many questions as possible. So that way you can feel settled as you move ahead on this journey, and it is one. The Cisco certification program is multiple areas of expertise with varied focus. I'm going to come back to this slide in just a moment, but this represents all the different paths that you could take in the Cisco certification world. Most people get started with routing and switching, so they get their CCENT certification and then progress along what I would call the pyramid of Cisco certification. And that's this guy right here, which dictates how deep into that focus area you want to go. So if you want to know how do I get started with Cisco certification, first off, pick your area of focus. And I would highly suggest routing and switching if you're not too sure where to start, because routing and switching applies to just about every certification track that Cisco has. Then start down here at the entry level, which for the routing and switching path happens to be ICND 1. That's the first exam that you'll take. And when you pass that, you get the CCENT. That's the Cisco Certified Entry-Level Network Technician certification that you have achieved. Go on and pass ICND 2, and now you have the Cisco Certified Network Associate. You've achieved the associate level certification. Now pass 3 more exams. Like I said, 1 or more exams for each one of these levels. That would be Route, Switch, and T-Shoot. And you've achieved the Cisco Certified Network Professional certification. Each one of these putting you into a new class of network engineer.
Okay, I hope you learned from the video, and that video you watched was, it's from YouTube. So I have here one possible profession if you are a Cisco, entered in Cisco. It is the application engineer job. So it is its description. Application engineer, working as a bridge between customers and engineering teams. Application engineer use customer input and sales information to design or redesign, develop, test, and implement complex software programs and applications. They also provide technical supports and expertise to customers testing applications, responding to customers' feedback, installations, maintenance, and often performing sales, presentation, and demonstrations. Application engineering reach across many departments, working with the engineering team, the sales team, the customer service team, and the manufacturing team. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the field is expected to achieve very rapid growth, about 17% through 2024. In order to provide application and software that satisfies customer, an application engineer performs many different tasks. We analyze job listening for application engineers in order to identify the core duties and responsibilities. Then it's develop applications. Application engineers are responsible for designing, developing, and implementing programs and applications. They must be able to do customer analysis to create applications that respond to customer needs and provide innovative solutions to common problems. They also perform prototyping, application tests, and code reviews to ensure product is satisfactory. Next is improve existing software. Responsible for existing software in addition to new developments. Application engineers perform debugging, testing, code improvement, and redesigning tasks. They work with customer service and quality analysis teams to optimize product and secure products stay up to date and continue to satisfy customer needs. Next is to provide technical support. From application startup through the warranty period, application engineers must provide customers with ongoing technical support. This support includes responding to customers' issues, providing updated software that solves bug issues, performing installs for customers, and working with the customer service team. Also, the access customer base. In order to design and redesign effective applications, application engineer must acquire and analyze customer needs and problems, making recommendation to the engineering team to satisfy needs and develop solutions. They generate ideas for software products that innovate and fill gaps in the current market. So here are the application engineer skill. First, an application engineer should hands-on experience in managing renewable energy processes, especially solar system. Second is the sound knowledge of various CAD package. Third, the operational knowledge of conditioning, monitoring, and associate applications. Fourth, solid understanding of designing engineering solutions. So, I have here a video to watch.
Hi, I'm Tanner, and I'm a Field Applications Engineer at Radial. A Field Application Engineer is an engineer that works directly with a customer to answer technical questions and assist in the design and implementation of our solutions. We represent Radial's engineering team to the customer, and the customer to our engineering team. Our teams typically focus on product lines. For example, I support multi-pin products, harsh environment fiber optics, transceivers, and coaxial switches. Our multi-pin connectors and fiber optics have been very successful in the aerospace and defense markets, so that is where I spend most of my time. But I do have some projects in test and measurement, industrial, and medical applications. Due to my role, I get to work on many projects, but my favorite is teaching people about our products, especially if I'm able to find a unique solution that they may not have thought of. Our customers often have a specific idea in mind when I meet with them. From there, I work to identify their key targets or features. That could be a number of contacts, the specific performances, or a specification we have to build to. Then, with those in mind, we work to offer a solution that meets their needs. Our engineers build everything from aircraft and satellites to combat vehicles. I have to be able to communicate that technical information internally and externally to ensure we provide the best solution. Being an engineer at Radial means working with experts across the industries that we support. I get to provide them with the tools that they need to create innovative solutions.
Okay guys, for more videos or reviews you want, just leave your comments at the comment section. And also don't forget, subscribe. Peace!
That's caught in the crossfire.